So peaceful out here, right? But I know that every time I ask an AI chatbot to rephrase an email, a data center somewhere else is drinking a bottle of fresh water just to cool down. I know, it sounds almost absurd. We're used to thinking about the internet, AI, and cloud computing as something invisible. We call it the cloud, as if it's made out of air and logic. But the truth is, the digital world is deeply physical, and it relies on our planet's most vital resources, power and water. When you generate an image, summarize a document, or ask an AI model to write a line of code, thousands of small but powerful processors called GPUs, they fire up somewhere in a huge warehouse that is called a data center. These computers run intensely hot, and if they overheat, the systems crash. To prevent that, the modern data centers rely on evaporative cooling system. Essentially, they pump fresh, pure water through the towers to absorb the heat and then evaporate it away. Researchers at the University of California found that a short session of 20 to 50 AI prompts roughly consumes about 500 milliliters of fresh water, and this is essentially a standard water bottle vanished into the steam just to handle a brief conversation with a bot. Now, one bottle of water doesn't sound catastrophic, but if you scale that up to hundreds of millions of daily users, the numbers become staggering. We're talking about millions of gallons of fresh water used, and often it's drawn from local municipal water systems in the regions that might already have problems with droughts and water stress. And water is only half of the equation. The electricity required to run and cool those facility grids is skyrocketing. By some estimates, data center consumption worldwide could double in the next few years, matching the total energy footprint of entire nations. Does this mean we should abandon AI and stop using these technologies? Of course not. Technology is essential, and AI has massive potential to help solve global problems, including climate modeling itself. What really matters here is transparency and smarter infrastructure. Tech companies are already racing to find alternatives. Some are building the data centers in colder climates, others experimenting with liquid, closed-loop systems to reuse the water indefinitely. Others rely on dedicated nuclear or geothermal energy. The shift is happening, and the public awareness is what accelerates the pressure. And I personally believe that being conscious of how our digital habits touch the physical environment is the first step to a more sustainable future. The next time you prompt an AI or stream a video while being outside, remember that behind that screen there is a physical machine that is working hard somewhere else in the world. If you enjoyed thoughtful breakdowns on modern technology and the environment and how our changing world functions, hit subscribe and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, ciao!